Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got Chicago dogs revamped. Okay, it's revamped because we're making this an adult version. We're not using hot dogs, we are using hot links. Okay, so here are a couple of products that I'm using for this recipe. Some Louisiana hot links, green pepper, sliced pickle, onion, tomato, hot dog buns, mustard, and ketchup. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and place the hot links in the boiling water, and I did poke a couple holes in the hot link because I like the hot link to kind of release some of the grease and some of the juices into the water to flavor it. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and let those cook until they are bright red. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start cutting up our veggies for the Chicago dog. So we're going to slice the onions the long way, the tomatoes, and the peppers. Okay, so this is what it is looking like, and this is how you want your vegetables to be sliced, the long way, not the short way. Okay, so these are the hot dog buns that I am using. I was trying to find a bun that wouldn't tear at the bottom once I put all the ingredients on the dog, but these split at the bottom as well. But we're going to go ahead and continue on with this video. Okay, so we go ahead and place the hot links on the bun, and you see how bright red they are. That's how you want them. So we're just going to go ahead and start adding the ingredients, and that is it. So here I'm just going to go ahead and garnish the dogs, but don't forget to check out my garlic parmesan fries. It will go so good with these dogs. So I will leave a card right here so you can check that video out as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. I love you guys. Bye.